Hey guys, recently I buy a computer, Dell computer. It's XPS 8940, and we decided to upgrade the CPU. But after we changed the CPU, we got an error. So let me to tell you what's that. Okay, VR heatsink is not detected. So for resolve this issue, we need a heatsink here on motherboard. We need to install it on that part. So I buy this one. That's something I buy. I will install it and then show you what will happening. Okay guys, I installed the heatsink. So as you can see, and I'm going to turn on the computer. Okay, as you can see, the computer was loaded. So that's the case, you need to buy the heatsink and then it's good to go.